Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to make your Telegram bio visible to everybody using the latest updated settings. If you want more people to see your profile details, this is exactly what you need. First, open your Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. On Android, you'll see the three lines in the top corner, and on iPhone, you can simply tap your profile icon. Go ahead and tap it to open the main menu. Next, tap on Settings. This is where all your account and privacy options are located. Now, inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your personal information, including your bio, phone number, and more. Scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Bio and tap on it. This is where you can manage who is allowed to view your Telegram bio. You'll now see different visibility options. To make your bio visible to everyone, simply select Everybody. This means anyone on Telegram can view your bio, even if they are not in your contacts. After selecting Everybody, make sure your changes are applied. In most cases, Telegram saves this automatically, but it's always good to double-check before exiting. And that's it. Your Telegram bio is now visible to everyone, helping you appear more open and accessible on the platform. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips on optimizing your Telegram experience.